Well guys, this is if you like to harvest parts from all electronic equipment, you definitely need bins. 9 chances out of 10 everybody out there has these, but they're definitely a godsend when it comes to you know, trying to organize parts. Give you an idea. Transistors here. Insulating material. USD 235, 57s, 1306, 1304s, or 3904s rather. A couple of regulators. 5 volt and 8 volt regulators in here. Power transistors, bit of a mix. Tip trio 55s. Project boards. Hardware. Never have enough hardware. What else can I show you here? Pots, potentiometers, tuning caps, fuse holders, different power jacks, speaker accessories, microphone accessories, rectifiers, LEDs, 5 volt Zeners, 9 volt Zeners, diodes, rubber feet, standoffs, fuses, terminal strips, momentary switches, slide switches, pan accessories, motors, relays. I got a bunch of these 24 volt bulbs, boys. If anybody needs them, I've got more than I need. All these are different types. If anybody needs any 24 volt bulbs, let me know. I've got way too many. And if any of you guys can need them, let me know. I got 4 bins of them. Different ones. Right there. I got some 12 volt bulbs. 2 bases. Crystal holders, battery holders. Yeah. Have to organize, as well as the tool shelf basically. But yeah. Now I just want to show this to you boys. And oh yeah, the other thing, this chore. I still haven't done anything with this microphone yet, but it's coming. It's coming. So hang in there. Workbench. I'm just going through it there now. I had 2 boxes of junk up there that I managed to sort through and put it in here. But anyways, just thought I'd let you know how she's making out. But oh yeah, microphones. Got a few mics. Never know you're gonna need one. Anyway guys, take her easy.